A woman is in boiling water as hot as lava, holding a baby in her arms. She lifts the baby high, desperate to save at least the child. Even as her own body begins to melt, she worries more about the terrified baby. To comfort the child, she starts to sing softly. When the baby finally begins to calm down, she makes funny faces to make the baby laugh. At the sight of the baby's smile, the woman feels pure, overwhelming happiness. And until her very last breath, she keeps making the baby smile.